Stock market tips that can work for the average consumer. The lure of the stock market can be quite strong. After all, who wouldn't want to make money just by investing and sitting back to reap the profits? However, you can also lose it just as easily. So, always take the time to inform yourself, in order to make the wisest choices for your situation. The information in this video can help you to develop a winning strategy that works for you. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. Do not invest money that you might need to access in a hurry, or that you cannot afford to lose. Your emergency cushion, for instance, is much better off in a savings account than in the stock market. Remember, there is always an element of risk with investing, and investments are generally not as liquid as money in a bank account. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. As you already know, the lure of quick and easy profit is the siren call of the stock market. However, there are just as many dangers to those who are blinded by the thought of getting rich quick. Always take the time and arm yourself with knowledge before jumping into anything. Your investment of time will help assure that your financial investment will pay off for you. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.